The device sports a 5.84 inches, 14.83 centimeters, IPS LCD display having a screen resolution of 1080 by 2280 pixels, an aspect ratio of 19:9 and pixel density of 432 ppi. Honor 9X features a bezel-less display with capacitive touchscreen supporting multi-touch, having the screen-to-body ratio as 79.07%. The device is driven by Android v8.0, Oreo, operating system, gaining power from octa-core, 2.36 GHz, quad-core, Cortex-A53 plus 1.7 GHz, quad-core, Cortex-A53, processor. Its 4GB RAM ensures lag-free performance whilst Mali T830 MP2 GPU provides exceptional graphical performance making gaming experience much smoother. Besides this, Honor 9X has Emria's custom UI and is 7.7mm in thickness, 71.8mm width, 149.2mm in height and weighs 152 grams. Its decent pair of cameras is yet another spec in such a price range that will leave users with no other choice than buying this phone. Honor 9X comes with a 13MP plus 2MP dual rear cameras paired with CMOS image sensor, LED flash and TAF. In front, there is a 16MP lens selfie camera designed to capture exceptional pictures. Other camera features of the device are exposure compensation and ISO control settings. It supports digital zoom, auto flash, face detection and touch to focus, has phase detection autofocus and shooting modes such as continuous shooting, high dynamic range mode, HDR, and a lot more. Now, flaunt your photography skills, click flattering pictures and cute selfies and leave a great impression while flooding your social media feeds.